Welcome to Unlistr. Today, I'll guide you through the sufficient email management tool that promises to declutter your inbox quickly and with minimal effort. If you're tired of endless subscriptions or spending hours manually filtering emails, Unlistr is here to help. Unlistr is an intuitive platform designed specifically for one thing: helping you manage your email subscriptions. With just a few clicks, you can review all your subscriptions in one place and unsubscribe from the ones you no longer want. The site's clean and user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone, regardless of tech skills, to jump right in and start clearing out unwanted emails. Key features and benefits: the primary feature of Unlistr is its ability to connect with your email account and pull up a list of all your active subscriptions. Once connected, it shows you each newsletter or service you're subscribed to, so you can select and remove unwanted emails at once. It's a massive time saver compared to manually scrolling through your inbox to find unsubscribed links. It's perfect for anyone aiming for inbox zero or just wanting a streamlined email experience. Unlistr also allows bulk actions. You can unsubscribe from multiple senders in one go, making it efficient for large cleanups. And while it works great for personal email, it could also be a solid tool for business accounts that tend to get cluttered over time. Downsides to consider: while Unlistr is straightforward and effective, it does have a few limitations. One is the need to authorize the platform to access your email, which may not sit well with some users concerned about privacy. Additionally, it might miss certain promotional emails if the sender doesn't categorize them as subscriptions, which can mean some clutter still sneaks through. In comparison, Clean Email is another reliable service worth exploring for organizing and managing emails. Clean Email provides advanced filtering and management options that some users may find more comprehensive. If you're interested, check the link in the description for the top email manager. Pricing overview: Unlistr offers both free and paid options. The free version allows you to unsubscribe manually, with limitations on how many emails you can remove per session. For unlimited access to the full suite of features, including batch unsubscribing and premium support, you can opt for the paid plan, which is reasonably priced for the time-saving value it provides. If you're overwhelmed by email clutter and want a simple, efficient tool, Unlistr could be a great fit. Give it a try and see how quickly it can transform your inbox. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful reviews like this one.